Hello, how are you all? Fine. Standard 7, Subject Science, Lecture 4, Chapter 8, Windstorm and Cyclone. And today we are solving the exercise of this chapter. Explanation part over is in Lecture 3. Lecture 3 तक explanation हो चुका है and today we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Okay students, I am starting exercise question. First we will solve all the exercise question. First question is fill in the blanks. Moving air, wind is dash air. Answer is moving. Wind are generated due to dash hitting on the earth. So answer is uneven. Near the earth surface, dash air rises up whereas dash air comes down. कौन सी एयर ऊपर जाती है और कौन सी नीचे आती है? तो आंसर इज warm air. Air moves from a region of dash pressure to a region of dash pressure. तो high air pressure to low air pressure. Okay students, now fill in the blanks completed. Then question number 2. Suggest two method to find out wind direction at a given place. Wind की direction को show कर रहा हो. Method to finding out the wind direction at a given place is are as follows. First point is by seeing the direction of dry leaves released in the air. Second is by seeing the direction in which it is difficult to ride the bicycle. Okay. Now third question. State the experience that made you think that our air exert pressure. ऐसे experience बताने जिसमें ये पता चलता है कि air pressure डालती है. Okay, answer is when we fill the air in the balloon. When we fill the air in the balloon. 1 minute student. Okay. It becomes, if we try to fill more air in balloon will get burst. क्या हो जाएगा? बैलून burst हो जाएगा. Okay, which proves air exert pressure. Wind causes curtains, door and window to move with the direction of wind. This demonstrate, ये क्या शो करता है? This demonstrate air exert pressure. This demonstrates air exert pressure. Okay students, now question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? क्या आप ऐसा घर खरीदना पसंद करोगी जिसमें वेंटिलेशन नहीं हो? तो यू सेड नो. आप क्या कहोगी? नहीं. वेंटिलेशन होना क्यों ज़रूरी है? तो हम इसके आंसर लिखते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट ए गुड आइडिया टू बाय ए हाउस विदाउट ventilators because warm air is lighter than the cold air. Hence, warm air passes out of your home through the ventilators. Ventilators के थ्रू क्या होता है? गर्म हवा जो है बाहर चली जाती है. Accordingly, without ventilators, warm air will not pass out and the house will remain warm. और house कैसा रहेगा? गर्म रहेगा. Now next question. Explain why halls are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Holes in the banners and hoarding help air to pass through it. Hence, banner can withstand the pressure of the air and remain intact. Okay. Now, question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case of cyclone approaches your village or town? Okay. Now, question answer number 6. We can help our neighbor in case of cyclone approaches by any of the following measures. By helping them to shift their animals, necessary household and vehicles to a safer place. By calling emergency services such as fire station, police and medical center. Now answer question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone? We should ignore the warning issued by the meteorological department through TV, radio and newspaper. और न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू जो भी वार्निंग दी जा रही है वो आपको सुननी चाहिए. We should make We should make necessary arrangements to shift the essential household goods, domestic animals, vehicles, etc. to a safer places. Avoid driving on the roads through standing waters or as floods may have damage to the road. Phone numbers of all emergency services like police, fire brigade and medical centers should be handy. Always store drinking water for emergency. Do not touch the wet switches and fallen power lines. Cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. Now question number 8. Okay. Which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? It's a MCQ and answer is Amritsar. Which of the following statement given below is correct? In winter the wind flow from the land to the ocean. In summer the wind flow from the land toward the ocean. So answer is first. In winter the wind flow from the land to the ocean. Now extra questions. Textbook exercise finish. Now extra question MCQ. First is MCQ is in which year was उड़ीसा hit by a cyclone? कौन से ईयर में उड़ीसा के अंदर साइक्लोन आया था? 1999, 2001, 2000, 2004. तो आंसर इज 1999. Leaves of trees, banner और flags flutter when wind is blowing. जब ब्लो करती है विंड तो क्यों फ्लटर करते हैं ट्रीज और बैनर्स? तो ऑप्शन इज एयर ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस, एयर इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस, एयर एक्सर्ट प्रेशर एंड एयर इज कलरलेस. तो अवर आंसर इज एयर एक्सर्ट प्रेशर, ऑप्शन सी. नाउ थर्ड MCQ. Which of the following place is most likely to be affected by a cyclone? Option is Mumbai, Goa, Puri and Porbandar. So our answer is B, Puri. 4. The wind from ocean carry water and bring rain. These winds are called typhoon, cyclone, monsoon and none of these. So our answer is monsoon. A cyclone warning can be issued 48 hours in advance, 12 hours in advance, 6 hours या फिर 24 hours. तो our answer is 24 hours. 24 hours. Now match the following. Match the following. Column A and column B. Column A में first wind. Column B में first dark funnel shaped cloud. Dark funnel shaped cloud. Second is monsoon. B, very low pressure system with very high speed. Okay, first को मैच करेंगे विंड को हम E से, विंड इज मूविंग एयर. सेकंड मॉनसून को हम मैच करेंगे F से, विंड कैरिंग वाटर. थर्ड थंडरस्टॉर्म को मैच करेंगे D से, डेवलप इन इंडिया वेरी फ्रिक्वेंटली. नाउ फोर्थ साइक्लोन को मैच करेंगे B से, वेरी लो प्रेशर सिस्टम विद वेरी हाई स्पीड विंड रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड इट. नाउ टॉर्नेडो. फिफ्थ इज मैच इन A, डार्क फनल शेप्ड क्लाउड. एंड सिक्स इज एनीमोमीटर C. एनीमोमीटर को मैच करेंगे C से, मेजर द स्पीड ऑफ द विंड. नाउ ट्रू और false. Air, first question is air around us exert pressure. Answer is true. Air contract on heating and expand on cooling. False. Wind carrying water vapors bring rains. True. High speed wind and air pressure differences can cause a cyclone. True. Tornado is very frequent in our country. False. Now short question answers. First question, discuss the major causes of wind. Wind current are generated due to the uneven heating on the earth. It may be between equator and the pole and between land and the water. Second, briefly describe the effect of heat on air pressure. The heat causes air to expand and occupy more space. It becomes lighter. That's why warm air is lighter than the cold air. Now Third answer, enlist the other name of the cyclone. Hurricanes and typhoons are the other name of the cyclone. Name of the factor responsible for the increase of speed of wind and or cyclones. Factors like wind speed and wind direction, temperature and humidity contribute to the development of the cyclones. Okay, now monsoon. Monsoon winds are helpful. Do you agree? The monsoon winds are helpful. The monsoon winds carry water and it rains cloud, bring rain and give us happiness. Farmers in our country depend mainly on rains for their harvest. So monsoon winds are very helpful. Monsoon winds are helpful. Okay students, here chapter 8 exercise finish. Here you have to see the video and complete your notebook, complete chapter number 8 in your notebook. Okay students, bye.